Hello, my name is Dr. Howard Goodman of the Herniated Disc Center of New York, located in Midtown Manhattan on Park Avenue. I'd like to invite you inside today to see how we help people from all over the world with neck and back problems.
The pain was unbearable. I'm on very heavy-duty drugs.
The pain was enormous. It went down from my lower back all the way down to my legs.
Two discs were fused together, and I just had a very stiff neck and I could not move for quite some time.
When a patient comes into our office, we're not going to rule out any problem with the muscle, disc, and ligament. A lot of offices are just dealing with one thing. They're dealing with a disc problem, or they're dealing with a ligament, or they're dealing with a muscle, or they're dealing with a nerve. In our office, we have made enough of an investment in the best technology in order to address all of those things so that the patient can know with the peace of mind that we will resolve that problem long term.
My pain had gotten really bad, and I had to stop to see Dr. Goodman to see if he can help me. You know, that I went in to see him, I told him my situation. He was very nice, he was very honest.
We have different machines that do different things. I was one of the first people to have the Spine Force machine made by LPG. That machine can work up to 180 muscles at one time. In about 20 minutes time, we can re-educate all of these muscles together, which makes for a long-lasting healing time for the patient. Another machine that we use, it's called the AcuSpine machine. And the AcuSpine machine does, not only does it do decompression, but it does waveform oscillation, which basically vibrates the tissue as it is being pulled, as well as applying a very deep penetrating heat during the decompression process.
Upon visiting the Herniated Disc Center of New York, after around 4 weeks, I was able to start jogging, playing basketball again.
The reason I got the special machine called the IntelliTrack is because patients would come into our office in a bent over or rotated posture. However, now with the IntelliTrack, what we can do is we can actually put the patient on a machine that actually matches the patient's misaligned state and gently bring the body back into a normal posture and back into a normal range of motion. Another machine that we really love is called the ATM2, which stands for Active Therapeutic Motion. These actual movements retrain the neurology to shut off pain signals from the brain to the area that was previously injured.
The best thing about Dr. Goodman is that he never stops trying to better himself, let alone his patients. In his practice, he is always growing. He's always going to seminars to help his practice be the best that it can be.
I'm very proud of the fact that I have a connection with all my patients. A lot of patients can't believe it, and they actually laugh when I say, would you like my home number and my cell number? I really want that patient to know that they're not just getting a doctor that's part-time. When you do this type of work, it is a full-time 24-hour commitment that I'm proud of to give to my patients, and I'm not afraid to make a house call if somebody needs me.
You know, Dr. Goodman actually has gone through disc problems himself, and that was actually part of the rapport he created with me when I came to see him, is that I could relate to him.
I am a professional bodybuilder. I earn my money with my body, and I chose Dr. Goodman to take care of my body.
My advice to anyone who's in the same position that I was in, to come to the Herniated Disc Center of New York if you're looking to get cured.
I would like to thank you for watching this program. And if you're hurting in your neck or your low back, and you're in the New York City area, I want you to pick up that phone and give us a call, because I assure you, I will speak to you, I will examine you, and I'll begin your treatment today. Thank you, and have a great day.